So many of you students have been asking us as to, sir, exam ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ and I'm first timer, like I don't know what to study, where to study, and how to approach every question. So even if I'm studying, I'm not able to make out as to how to write an answer. So ನಂಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಕವರ್, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ you people were asking us. So to help you with that, and especially the first timers who are like preparing for the first time and not sure as to how to approach an answer, what to write, what not to write, and how to cover all the 20 questions in the given 3 hours of time, 250 marks in baribekalva. So to help you with that one, we have come up with a new program called as persistence practice program. So why have we named this one? So basically in the next 40 days, whatever that we have time, otherly we have to maximize our score, maximum whatever that we can cover, and whatever we cover we have to put it on the paper in a proper manner so that we will score our best marks, we will give our best presentation. So how is the approach for this one? Since you people are preparing for the first time, so we are doing what is called as hand holding, and we will do the mentoring. So it will be one-to-one mentoring, it will be one-to-one hand holding. So what is our strategy or what is our approach anta ನೀವು ಕೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, we have divided this entire program into 3 phases: phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. So phase 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಪ್ಪ ನಾವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, we have basically, we will give you the questions, we will give you the answer copy or the synopsis notes, and we will give you the discussion video also before hand. So one day ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, so that 20 questions as in like 20 topics ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Plus you know what is answer needed for the topic, so ಆ topic ಮೇಲೆ, and the synopsis will be most comprehensive, so you will get to know what all is needed for the topic. And discussion video will be provided to you so that you will know, like ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನೇನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಬಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. Once you do this one, you go through the question, you go through the synopsis, you see the discussion paper, and then you will write the 20 questions. The 20 questions we are going to evaluate, and we will do one-to-one mentoring. So either we will finish the phase 1. So by the time we complete our phase 1, you are like good with almost 400 to 500 questions. We have around 460 questions in there. So the faculty might provide you 5-10 extra questions also wherever they feel like either onchೂರು comprehensive ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಲೋ, ಇಲ್ಲ when you are doing one-to-one interaction they may ask you to write more questions also, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ಬರಿಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ. So you will get this one. This will be the phase 1. So once we are done with like phase 1, where we train you or equip you with how to write, what to write, etc., etc., what we'll be doing for phase 2 is we will give you the question paper, we will give you the synopsis copy, but we won't give you the discussion. So ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಬಾಡಿಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಬೈ ನೌ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ equipped you with all that. So what we expect from you now, you write the question and then you will see the discussion video plus one-to-one mentorship. This one-to-one mentorship evaluation will be there for everyone. So I mean like ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. This is your phase 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ and discussion. Then when we go to the phase 3 ಅಲ್ವಾ, here you are already done with the syllabus completion. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So in this round 3 we have again divided this into, you will get full length test. So 3 full length test ಬಂದಾಗ what we will be doing here, you are already completed a topic, you know how to answer, what to answer, how to approach the answer, etc., etc. Here we will simply give you the questions just like anybody else. Attend the test series. You will be attending the test series like anybody else. You are equipped now. So now what you will be doing, once this is done, you will get the detailed synopsis plus you will get one-to-one mentorship. So first hand holding ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್, one-to-one evaluation, mentoring, so that we will take you to the entire answer making, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್, ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್, ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So all of that we will be giving you in this one. So once we have done with that one, the remaining stuff ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, all of that will be provided to you. So you will get to know what exactly is needed and what exactly is not needed. So all of that we are going to provide it for you. ಸರ್ ನಂಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೌ ಡು ಐ ನೋ? See basically what we have done, see we'll provide you with this one. See where we are adding like understanding of the questions ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ದು, ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ, ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ. ಸೇ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಬಿ ದ ಈ ತರ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಹುಡುಗರು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ವಾ, ವೆದರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ರೀಡಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೈಡ್ ಯು ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇವಾಗ ಸೇ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆನ್ಸಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. So whether you are using that keywords, whether you are able to replicate that one, you went through the answer, you went through the discussion, but when you write the test, whether are you able to recollect, remember everything. So all of that will be evaluated. All of that feedback ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, all of that will be provided by our faculty one to one. It is not a group thing, because since you are writing for the first time ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we will take you for a group thing. It will be like, I mean, not a group thing, it will be like one to one. So one to one, the evaluator will spend time with you. He will discuss with you like what are the issues you are having. Everything will be addressed, and finally we will take you to this level 3, where you are like writing your own answers in a better manner than what we are today. Like it's not like, sir, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ವೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ದಿರಾ ಸರ್, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ತರ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಯು ರೀಚ್ ಯುವರ್ destination. So hope you'll make good use of it. Persistence, practice, program for the, especially for the first timers, this will be a game changer.